So now that we know how much we should be drinking, let's say signs and symptoms of dehydration. And some of these, most of you know, but it's basically, could be feeling thirsty, dry mouth, dark, yellow, stinky urine, dizzy or lightheaded, irritability. And I know headache's a big one. I will tell you, anytime my child comes up to me and is like, my head hurts or I'm tired, I say, drink water. Just drink water, because let's first see if that eliminates it. Because, kids, I feel like I'm constantly running after them, trying to get them to drink more water, because they're ones that wait until they are like dying of thirst before they start drinking water. No matter how much I preach it, it's hard. So a lot of those symptoms can just be dehydration. I mean, you have to recognize cues, but always go to the water if you're starting feeling something. Like, if you have a headache, instead of jumping and trying to take something to alleviate that headache, like Tylenol, go drink some water. See if your body just needed some fluid. So I mean, any of us can face dehydration if we're not careful about it. So I mean, I know I'm super careful about it, but there's many times that I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm so thirsty, and then I'm like, gosh, why am I thirsty? I have not been staying on top of it. So basically, obviously dehydration is occurring when our body uses or loses more fluid than we're taking in.